How to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. So if you want to save a TikTok draft video to your gallery without posting, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with the profile. Under profile, you can go with your draft videos. If you don't have your drafts, then for example, I'll be taking a draft just to show you an example. So once you have your drafts, you just need to simply open up your draft and select the draft. Once you've selected, now here on the upper right, you will have a download or save shaped icon to save your TikTok draft to your gallery without posting. But if you've just recently updated your TikTok, then you won't have that option. It will be in older versions. But if you don't have that option right now, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with next, which is on the bottom right, and you need to go with the privacy. So you just need to simply go with followers can view this post, tap on it, and then tap on only you. And once it says only you can view this post, you just need to simply go with post and wait for it to load. Once you've posted, you need to go with your profile, and under your profile you need to go with the locked section where you will have the recently uploaded one. Now here you will have that, right? So if you want to save this, then you just need to simply go with the three dots, which is on the bottom right, and go with save video. Tap on save video, and that's it. The video will be saved and it won't be public. So that's how you can save your TikTok videos to your gallery without posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.